Don't. That's about to fall off. Don't hold it any further over.
She hasn't got to the cake yet.
Alright, you want me to go over the...
Yeah, go to the...
And you're sticking your fingers in it.
She is a serious eater. She's going as quick as she can now.
Mama, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling.
I know, it's okay now.
Good stuff. Not getting much in your mouth there, kid.
Oh, go potty.
I don't want to.
You better not pee on our floor.
Go.
I don't need to.
Go, because Taylor's about to go in there and take a bath.
Yeah.
Do you ever change your clothes for her?
Look at her.
I did have an I'm one shirt somewhere. Is that good?
I guess that storm
Getting all kind of good stuff.
going off.
Yeah, I think we will get to go swim. Oh, it's so good.
The quicker she eats, the quicker we can go.
Yeah.
She's eating as quick as she can.
Yeah, I know. She's gonna eat this whole
That's
cake.
what I was going to say. She's going to eat that whole thing before it's over.
She's gonna eat that whole...
I think that's probably enough for her little belly.
Yeah.
She's gonna get mad.
Yes,
All that
yes.
sugar, she'll be hopped up.